Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope you are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIFS Home School. I am Muhammad Abul Kalam, an assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to conduct a Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 4. Our today's topic is Chapter 8, Reading and Matching. I repeat, our today's topic is Chapter 8, Reading and Matching. Dear students, from today we will take the class for the annual examination. So today's class is our first lecture and first SW. Keep it in mind. So today's class is lecture 1 and SW number 1. So all of you look at board. Chapter 8 is about social and national assets. Social and national assets has three parts. One is social assets, number 2 is national assets, and number 3 is more national assets. Now you will look at both. I have given here three pictures, picture number 1, picture number 2, picture number 3. So look at the first picture. First topic is our social assets. So look, in the first picture I have given you a picture of a school which belongs to our social assets. Now we will go to the reading. Okay, all of you open your Bangladesh and Global Studies or BGS book at page number 38 number. I am reading, give attention. So your page number is 38, I am reading. Assets are the resources to meet our needs of lives. Social assets are local facilities ensuring people's well-being. We can get these facilities officially or unofficially. Now schools. Education is the right to every child. It is a social right. Schools are provided in every neighborhood. Every child has the rights of going to school to learn things and improve their potentialities or possibilities of lives. Hospitals. Hospitals are another social resource provided to ensure health services to the people. Doctors and nurses provide medical treatment and take care of the patient. Next, religious buildings. There are religious institutions for every religion. These are mosques for Muslims, temples for Hindus, pagodas for Buddhists, and churches for Christians. Parks and playgrounds. There are many playgrounds in the village and towns where children and families can go to play sport and enjoy the gardens. All these social assets improve the standard of social status. Therefore, we need to look after all these institutions. Now we will go to part number 2, national assets. The national assets are those which are built by government for our use. These national assets are created and maintained by government with the earning of taxes and revenue. Road. The government builds and repairs roads. We have large paved roads between towns and smaller earthen roads between villages. All these roads help us travel between places and transport goods. Private companies then provide buses and lorries to use the roads. Railways. We have many miles long railways like roads. Many people travel by trains. It is easy to carry huge goods in the train. Now bridges. There are many big and long rivers in our country, so we need lots of bridges, our rivers. There are small bamboo bridges in the villages and some are bigger bridges for roads and railways to cross the river. Some of our biggest bridges are Bangabandhu Bridge. So look at the picture number 2. Picture number 2 represent our Bangabandhu Bridge. It is here Bangabandhu Bridge. China Friendship Bridge and Lalon Shah Bridge. Another bridge is being built on the river Podda. We all know that river Podda is being under construction. Now we will go to more national assets. So look at here more national assets. In the picture number 3, I have given a picture of Sundarban. It belongs to our more national assets. Now look here. So boys, look at both Sundarban, the picture of Sundarban. There are more national assets. Nature is the source of all natural resources. These natural resources have positive impact on our lives. Water. We get fresh water from rain, rivers and springs. We use it at home for drinking, cooking and washing. Farmers use water to help their plants grow. Clean water is distributed through pipes to towns, offices and factories. Water is used for life, living and other purposes. Now we will go to forest or plants. Forests are another natural resources. The trees in forest give us wood for building. They grow fruits we can eat and they shelter wild animals. Gas. Gas is a natural resource which comes from the ground. We use it for heat, for cooking and for transport. The scooters in our towns run on natural gas. It is used in industrial factories also. Now last one is electricity. Look, the natural forces behind wind and water are used to make electricity for lighting and cooking, running television and computers and industrial manufacturing. Now our reading session is done. We will go to our matching. I have given you two matching, number 1 and 2. So look at both. Look at the first number matching. Match the jobs. So keep it in mind, it is jobs with the state resources. It is roads. Option pilot, no. Driver, engineer. Road is related to option number 2, driver. So look at both. Number 2. Road is related to driver. D-R-I-V, driver. Now number B, airlines. Option pilot and engineer. We all know that airline is related to pilot. So A is related to 1. Airlines, it is pilot. C number. Breeze. Breeze is related to engineer. So C number represents 3. Breeze, engineer. E-N-G-I-N-E-E-R. So look at number 1. I am telling you again. A is related to, that means road related to driver, airlines related to pilot, breeze related to engineer. Now we will go to matching number 2. Match the uses with the natural resources. Number A, gas. So look at the option, washing clothes, no. Sailing boats, no. Radio, no. Making furniture, no. CNG scooters. From our text we have got the idea that gas is related to CNG scooters. So A is 5. Gas, CNG scooters. CNG scooters. S-C-O-O-T-E-R. CNG scooters. B number, water. We all know that water is used for washing clothes. So B number is 1 number. Water, washing cloth. C number, wind. Yes, wind is related to sailing boats because without wind sailing boat cannot run. So wind, C number is related to 2 number. Wind is related to sailing boat. Sailing boats, C number. Now D number, look, electricity. We know that electricity used to run radio. It is written here running television and computer, we need electricity. So wind, done. Electricity is, D number is related to 3. The electricity, E-L-E-C-T-R-I, electricity, C-I-T-Y, electricity related to wind. No, electricity is related to radio. To run electricity, to run the radio, we need electricity. Radio. Last one is left. That means E number. Forest. We all know that forest is related to making furniture. IV. Forest, it is making furniture. Furniture. I am telling you again so that you can understand it properly. Furniture, it is written making furniture. So gas is related to CNG scooters. B number, it is water. Water is related to washing clothes. Look, C number, wind. Wind is related to sailing boats. D number, electricity. Electricity is related to radio. Last one is forest. Forest is related to making furniture. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 done. So look at board now. I have given your SW. SW is matching. You will do the matching like me, and on the basis of your SW you will get your city mark and diary marks. So dear students, I hope that all of you have understood our reading session and matching. Keep the reading, keep practicing again and again, read the text again and also, and you will write the matching again and again so that you can understand it properly. Eat a balanced diet and abide by your parents' advice. See you again in